Alright, welcome back for another video, guys. Thanks for joining me. Get on up there. Alright, so let's get into this video. It's gonna be a little talking video, I'm not gonna lie to you. But as much as I don't want to make another update video, I got nothing going on right now. I'm gonna try to keep with the weekly uploads. I'm just gonna film a quick update video for you guys to let you know what's going on with the channel and what's going on in the future. I have a update with the 240 that I didn't really film. I don't know why, but there's more parts coming for it, so I'll make a video out of that. Take you off the stand for a second and we'll talk. So the Chevy Colorado ZR2, you're not going to be able to see it back there. I think it should be, no, that is the BMW. The Colorado's right there. We got wheels and tires for it. So those are sitting in the garage right now. Tires, wheels are over there. If you look up the company, you'll be able to see it, but I'm not going to do, you got to do a little bit of work yourself if you want to see what wheels they are right now until the reveal video when they're on the truck and everything looks all nice. We're going up to 33-inch tires. Those are 2 inches larger than stock. Well, stock's 31. It might be like 31 and change, whatever. It's 31 inches. These are 33. These are BF Goodrich KO2s. They are 285/70/17. I'm excited about that. It's going to look pretty cool in the truck. So with that, there's some more things than just the wheels and the tires. You got TPMS over here, the sensors for each ones. We've got new lugs for each ones. These are actually from Method because RRW was sold out of their lug nuts. So did that. Then the other thing we got to do is trim the fenders. Trimming the fenders isn't really a big deal. You don't have to get this kit. There's a video, I forget the dude's name, 420 Motors or something like that. He has a Colorado video trimming the fenders. He did it himself, just freehanded it. Came out pretty good. This kit is from AEV. It's a whole fender trimming kit. They made this kit to go up to 33s. You got to trim a little bit of the fender. Stay tuned for that video. That video will be coming up soon. I'm not too sure if I have to trim right away with the wheels and tires, but the wheels and tires are getting put on, mounted and balanced on Tuesday, and today's Saturday, so I'm not going to be able to film a video about that this week, so that's why we're doing this update video. Now, last week, I tried to go to a Cars and Coffee event, get there, and with the 240SX. Let me just show you this for a second. Headlights are in, turn signals are in. Sick. I actually got you on one of the tires, so if you roll off, I'm sorry. Well, I'll be sorry at that point. So last week we went to go to Cars and Coffee, got there. The line was basically a half mile long to get there because started at 9 o'clock. We got there maybe 9:30 or 10 o'clock. It wasn't even that late, and the line was ridiculous. They were turning people away, so pulled into like an auxiliary parking lot. That was full. Decided, yeah, let's just head out. Just drove around like a little bit, not too far. Went home. Was actually able to snap this picture that came out fire. If you're not following me on Instagram, you didn't see that, so hit that follow button, check me out. I do post a lot of stuff before it gets on YouTube on my Instagram, so follow me on that. So at some point, cruising around on last Sunday, we lost the turn signal. So let's look at it quick. Headlight, turn signal, headlight, no turn signal. Absolutely sucks that I had to order another set of turn signals, but it is what it is. This next set that comes is going to be secured in a lot better. Now, one issue with turn signals and headlights, it gets a different plug. Well, at least the headlights for sure gets a different plug from the Zenke front end. So I have from Wiring Specialties, actually, I had the pigtail coming for headlights, and then it actually turns out to be the same one for the turn signals. So that's coming. A couple like little wiring things for the front to get all the lights working. Those are coming in the mail, so that's coming up soon, and maybe we'll do a whole rundown of I'll have to wind up reinstalling the lights, so we'll install the lights together. Alright, so put you back on this tire here. So those are the main things. That's the quick update video for you guys. Trying to keep you guys all up to date on what's going on. The 190E, since the last video I haven't done anything with. Considering other options than cutting it up right at the moment to install those fenders, so we'll figure something out with that eventually. Like I said, the truck's got the wheels and tires and then the fender trimming kit, and pretty much that's it for the truck. I don't really want to touch the truck after that much more. New turn signal's got to come. put those back on. Have Cars and Coffee tomorrow. I might be going to, so maybe I'll get some footage. And that's it. Oh, there is a new car coming to the channel too. So we're trading in the BMW for a new car. It should be here next week or the week after. So stay tuned for that video. So once again, thank you for joining me on this one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments down below if you want to take a random guess on what car is coming. Have at it. So I will see you guys on the next one. Pray for me with the 240 that everything stays good. And that's it. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.